Hi all, is Gemini safe? Recently, I have also done multiple videos on Gemini related contents in my channel. And lately, I came across few newspaper clippings and other YouTube videos stating that whatever contents we are providing on Gemini are on risk. So, I have started my research and analysis from that. And I could understand the results are really terrific. I can conclude that people who are not only using Gemini, but people who are using Google related apps are on risk. According to a AI generative model, if a model should understand what a thing or stuff what we provide, it should have a detailed library. For example, I can tell you when we are training a AI generative model to learn more about the features of a cat or dog. That means if we are providing an image of a cat or a dog, if the AI model should understand whether it is a dog or some other animal, what it should do, it should check its library and should analyze with the features whether it is a dog or cat. So for analyzing a single image, a generative model needs thousands of images. So I can conclude here that while we are providing a single image in Gemini, it is able to provide us a clear picture, which even ChatGPT was not able to do. I think you all remember ChatGPT with the Ghibli effect. ChatGPT was able to provide the exact images of our dress or our the environment, but not the image. So ChatGPT also was not able to provide an image exactly of our face as they don't have enough of our images. We have just provided a single one. But Gemini was able to do with a single image. That means surely it takes the images from the Google related apps like Google Photos, Google Drive, etc. And it is acting as their database. So all your Google accounts are on risk. I can provide few examples supporting for this. Recently, I have seen an Instagram influencer filing a case against Gemini on court. What she is stating that she has provided an image in Gemini where her hand is fully covered. But the results were really terrific because in the result she was wearing a sari image where exactly a mole was visible on her hand, which was not there in the original picture provided. So this is really terrific. That means Gemini is analyzing her all the pictures. That's why they were able to get the mole which was not visible in the original image. This means Gemini is using Google Apps as a database. I can provide you one more example. I have recently uploaded a Gemini prompt effect on group photos where I am providing group photo pictures of my friends. And I could see that always my image is so clear and precise compared to others. So I asked one of my friends to try the same prompt from his side. When he tried the same prompt, he can see that his image is so clear and precise and our images are little bit different. So what I could understand is like Gemini is using our Google Apps as a database. So be careful. People who are using Google Apps all are on risk. That means try not to upload much features into cloud or Gmail or other Google online platforms. That would save your photo. Thank you. Watch it out.